I'm Jeff Perkins, I'm with Genride Off-Road. Today we're going to be talking about this Aeromotive Stealth 340 in-tank fuel pump. So what turned me on to Aeromotive is that I did need more fuel pressure with the LS engine, so I wasn't going to be able to get by with the factory fuel pump. Tony and Jordan have been running Aeromotive super reliably for many years in the race car, Terramoto. They've done great at KOH. I've been around them for 5 to 6 years now. Fuel pressure, fuel pumps have never been an issue, so it was a no-brainer from there. What I'm in the middle of doing now is I just put a V8 LS in my Jeep, and I still wanted to run the in-tank fuel pump. So we took out the factory fuel pump and we just dropped in the Aeromotive Stealth 340. Super simple install. All we had to do is take out the factory module, and I clip off the bottom, slide this out, and then you have the factory fuel pump right here. After that, you did have to take a Dremel tool and kind of make a little more room because the 340 is a little wider. Don't get carried away because you do want it to be tight in there. After that, just kind of assemble it back together, and I was able to drop it in. Then I put on this fitting that goes to a -6 fuel line. I did install the Aeromotive fuel filter right under here. I mounted it in my frame, right on the inside. And I ran it all the way up front where it does go to the fuel pressure regulator and then into the fuel rails. So the setup's super clean. I'm running the regulator, the filter, the fuel pump, all Aeromotive, all made to go together, so there's no problems along the whole route of the fuel getting fuel pressure.
Drove it home for the first time. Let's fire it up.